Everyone, it's Shelby, your ShopRite wellness partner. And this holiday season, I am telling you how to find gifts in the grocery store. The holidays can be very stressful, and if you can save yourself one trip to an extra store, you know you're going to be in the grocery store anyway, finding all of those delicious foods for your holiday meals. So why not give gift giving a thought while you are in the aisles of your local ShopRite? We have so many wonderful items. You could personalize into gift baskets that are wonderful to tailor to the interests of the person that you're buying the gift for. And you could find those quality ingredients at a great price point as well. So not only are you saving yourself time by finding gifts in the grocery store, you're going to save yourself money as well. Instead of buying something that is already made, you are going to find quality ingredients and personalize something, so wins all around. So this first basket we have here is filled with some of our imported Bowl and Basket items. A really nice Hostess gift. You're kind of taking the guesswork out of making that charcuterie board appetizer for your host, or maybe if you are bringing a bottle of wine and it's a really good friend and you want to do something a little extra special, you bring the cheese basket along with a bottle of wine for a really lovely Hostess gift. And then we also, since you're in a grocery store, let's say your friend has a family member who maybe has a dairy allergy. You can shop and make a dairy-free cheese basket and kind of integrate again that personalization, that idea that you thought about the person and what they need and what could really help them out during the holidays. And charcuterie boards are so big right now, so it really is a wonderful way to get them started on a holiday appetizer. And again, with these awesome Bowl and Basket products, you can find so many delicious cheese items in this line that are imported and really good flavors. I know my favorite is the blueberry goat cheese that we have. It's like dessert, it's so good. And also these tri-packs are wonderful too. Now, maybe you have a friend who is talking about building healthy habits for the new year. What better way to get them started on that than doing a little get ahead with some of our specialty Bowl and Basket coffees or teas, because starting off with a good breakfast or maybe introducing them to some coffee that they can get in the grocery store instead of out can also build that habit of making it themselves, which is a really wonderful, healthy habit too. So you're going that extra step. I'll be honest with you, being a dietitian in a grocery store in the holiday season, I've done it many times for many years, and you figure out ways that you can bring helpful hints while maybe it's not everybody's favorite time to talk to the dietitian when you're making a lot of holiday indulgent Christmas cookies and meals, but I can tell you how to make a good, healthy habit building gift. And someone will be so grateful. Again, maybe you know that they are someone who loves to read. Buying them an assortment of teas and some of their favorite creamers, along with maybe a gift card, could be a really nice way to show that you care about their interests. I can't think of a better way to show that you care about someone than making both their time saved and their grocery bill a little bit lighter for a week or two. So whether it is a personalized gift basket, a Hostess gift with a little bit more thought, or introducing someone to new favorite snacks, finding gifts in the grocery store can be a way to save both time and money this holiday season. For more gift ideas in the grocery store, visit ShopRite.com, or you can like this video and follow us for more recipes.